Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best gentleman's pocket knife out here. Let's get started with the videos. Number 9. GEC, number 47 Viper. Great Eastern Cutlery, or GEC, is one of many companies cranking out a staggering variety of high-end slip-joint blades with a traditional styling yet aimed at modern knife enthusiasts. I'm not a huge fan of multiple blade patterns, except for my titty-out Beer Scout. So for me a perfect traditional slip-joint EDC needs to have one good-sized blade. Number 8. CRKT Heroes. And last on our list is an affordable option from Columbia River Knife and Tool, designed by perhaps the most well-known name in knife culture, Hawaii's own Ken Onion. The EROS is referred to as a gentleman's tactical knife, which is a phrase that makes no sense like sports car pickup truck or diet hamburger. Regardless of what CRKT calls it. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search Best Gentleman's Pocket Knife or simply click below the video description link. Finley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. William Henry E6. William Henry knows all about gentlemen's knives, it's all they make. The problem is that most of them are more for looking at than using for cutting stuff. Damascus blades, exotic wood, mother-of-pearl inlays, weird pirate skull-shaped clips, intricate engraving and inset jewels are fancy and impress some people, but knife nuts want to focus on how stuff works. Number 6. James Brand Chapter. The James brand is not a well-known entity in the knife market yet. They've only been around since 2012, with a core lineup that has recently expanded up to 3 knives. The most well-known of their line is the Chapter knife, a simplistic titanium frame-lock folder with a variety of handle colors and blade finishes. The blade is a 2.75 hollow ground drop point style made from D2. Number 5. LIONSTEEL TISPINE. The design of the TISPINE comes from Robert Young Pelton, the head of DPX Gear, whose folding knives are produced by LIONSTEEL of Magnago, Italy. The design is actually licensed to LIONSTEEL, who make the TISPINE, but they also produce same knife for DPX to sell in limited quantities only from their website under the Aculus name. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search Best Gentleman's Pocket Knife or simply click below the video description link. Finley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Almar Hawk Classic. Since the late 70s, the Almar Hawk has been a popular gentleman's carry, and for good reason. It's well-sized, well-made and looks the part. If you're not familiar with Almar, they're a US company based in Oregon, but production takes place in Seki City, Japan. Almar produces a number of impressive EDCs including the Osprey, Eagle and Falcon. Number 3. Boker MiniQuake. The Quaken, a Lucas Burnley take on the traditional Kaiken Japanese style blade, has been an enormous success for Boker in the enthusiast knife market. It's a refreshingly clean design in a world full of Emersons, a blade that is completely hidden when the knife is closed, the spine level with the handle scales, the only protrusion being the flipper tab. Riding on IKBS bearings. Number 2. Spyderco CHAPARRAL. Spyderco has a long history of making practical and beautiful gentlemen's knives. It's hard to pick. There's the Sage line, which uses the same handle and blade shape but showcases different handle materials and lock varieties. The Copa is out of production now, but featured a variety of beautiful handle materials. But the CHAPARRAL is their flagship gentleman's knife. Number 1. Reeve MNANDI. If you wanted a list of gentlemen's knives with only one entry, it would be the Reeve Nandi. Named after the Zulu word for very nice, the Nandi is a 2.75 semi-traditional folding knife with a focus on high-end materials and a prisa tag to match. Opening is done by a nail nick. With practice it can be done with the side of your thumb. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.